that, did you?
No, they better not. Go wide, go wide.
You just crammed two words together that made me laugh.
Go wide!
Roombush, it is.
The Roombas.
Damn, imagine if you had a fucking actual engine in this puppy.
Oh. This thing is just super fat. You know what? It's because it's got no weight to it at all. It's just... Ooh. Ah! Ah!
Let's just keep driving around.
I got my retarded cousin with me.
I took off those snow plows and my balance isn't quite the same. I need all four.
We're just driving around.
Let's just keep on circling the map until they realize that we're stupid. Dude, what are you doing?
We wait. Oh shit.
Ah!
Good! I'm sick of flipping your ass.
I don't even know what's on the screen right now.
Tell me you have that on fucking video. You know what? You can title that on YouTube. What not to do with a vacuum robot. Dude, man, get a fucking carjacker. Get out of my shit.
Is that after making fun of me too?
I love how we all stopped and like, let's help out our brother vacuum. He's in need. He needs help.
It's like ducks, Roomba.
We're getting wailed on by hurricanes and shit. And like, flip them, flip them.
Rush the base, man. Rush their base, left side. Woo! Yeah! Roomba magic.
You guys are killing my fucking winded fucking death ratio.
Up this base.
Yeah!
Oh, not in my fucking house. Alright, maybe in my house.
Oh shit.
Alright, I'm down.
Why are there still so many of them?
The normal players must be like, what are they doing tonight?
I'm trying, dude. I got steering problems.
Dude, you have more than fucking steering problems.
We might win. Probably not. How's this offer?
Well, yeah, Emily drops her fucking shit and you might win.
Yeah. I got 2 kills, I'm happy.
I'm not happy.
I got 2, I'm the only Roomba with kills, so what can I say?
Look at fucking Edward rolling up with his charged up thunderbolts.
I know. What you talking about? Because I got 2 kills? You guys did nothing? You know, I didn't want to make you guys look too bad, so I quit it too.
The problem is I haven't actually modified my vacuum, so I'm just running. I sometimes I forget that I actually have a shotgun.
Oh! What if we put thunderbolts on this thing? This should be funny. So I did good on that one, man. Look at my stats. Top of the line. Boom, baby. Sting down there with 315 points. Sting, what were you doing? Nothing. Well, let me see. Let me check and see. I need to put Bulldog in. That'd make this vehicle a lot better. I had Perseus in there who was doing absolutely nothing.
See, they rage quit from us. Look at that. They couldn't handle the fucking sucking power.
We were doing a lot of sucking, all right. Although I've only. Although I've only got like 40 more minutes to play. Boo! I've got to do some laundry and shit before I go to bed. I know. Ambush!
Roombush.
Roombas, Roombas.
Oh, Hannah. Oh, Hannah. Why?
Okay. Oh.
Oh, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no.
Ah.
Go! Yeah, that's amazing.
That's funny. Oh shit. He's like a freaking
Dude, you should make a
motorcycle.
build like that.
No, because the minute you took any damage, it'd be done.
Bring out the gimp.
No, here comes somebody to take Hannah. Oh.
Oh.
It's just a little trouble dude on fire. And there he goes. Alright, tomorrow I'll modify my vacuum.
Clown cars.
I don't know. Fucking fire and lightning might be good on this sucker.
Hey, it's all good, man. I got cannons.
Hey, at least I got 81.
I got Geode and cannon.
Alright, let's go as a pack, dude. Pick the side and let's just jump on them.
I just remember the last time we were all grouped up nice and tight.
Yeah. Sting flip.
Yeah.
No shit. I'm not flipping them again, I'm just leaving them. Roadkill.
Oh!
Oh, spade sauce! I got spade sauce. Are we going down?
Yeah. Push their base.
Hey, Squishy. I'm with a view.
Okay, they're gonna be thinking about their base now. I'm down here, I'm making them come back. Okay, somebody's back here now.
He's like, what the fuck's happening? And the other guy.
Ah. Yeah, I know, I had to turn. Oh!
Oh shit! Oh shit!
You
On
no
our base.
longer look like a fucking Roomba.
I do not. I've lost all the Roomba edges.
Christ.
Oh, that guy's the biggest dick in the fucking game.
Ah! Oh, we can go sit on theirs. We can go sit on their base. It's obviously